I was speaking to somebody yesterday and asked him a question, and he said, Tayku. So he said, do you know what I mean? So Takoo was what the Gemara says at times when there's a question that's not answered, or it is an argument that we can't settle. It says Takoo. So what he meant when he said Takoo was IWIK, which is the abbreviation on the internet for IWIK. I wish I knew. So there are a number of such abbreviations. Hopefully after this you won't say LOL, which is laughing out loud, or LOLROF.
Rolling on the floor.
Laughing out loud, rolling on the floor. So there are all of these shortcuts that are there. So when he said Takoo, it was like he was throwing up his shoulders and saying, I wish I knew. So I told him that in modern Hebrew, Takoo is the word that is used when there's a tie, for example, in basketball, and that is, you can't decide, so they call it Takoo. In English, the translation of Takoo usually is let it stand. That is, when I have a question, Takoo, let it stand. But I think it misses out on the real meaning, because Takoo is said to be an abbreviation for Tishbi, Yataretz, Kushios, Va'abayos. Tishbi, that is Eliyahu Tishbi, at the time of coming of Moshiach, Yataretz, he will explain, he will answer all of the unanswered questions. So that's quite different from saying, even let it stand. For sure, I wish I knew. I wish I knew is, I give up on it. Let it stand means it'll stand there. Our general way we say is that Eliyahu will come and he will answer all of these things. And I want to know what the answer to all of these things are. Now we're supposed to have a halacha every day to start off the day. So what's the halacha in this case? So in the beginning of the Gemara Baba Metzia, it says, a famous case, two people are arguing about something. They come in holding a item that they found. Each one says, I found it, it's mine. So each one swears to make sure that they're telling the truth as much as they understand, and we divide it. But it says in the Gemara, if two people come in with a garment and they say, each one says, I knitted it, then we don't divide it. Why is that? Because it's impossible for both of them to have knitted it. And to say that this one knitted half and this one knitted half, impossible. That the two people picked it up at the same time, that is possible. So there, what happens when we have a doubt in the Gemara? When we have a doubt, we have to sometimes leave things in the hands of the one who has possession of it. In other words, that if you want to take something away from someone else, you have to bring proof to that. So, Tayku, we look forward to the coming of Eliyahu to answer our questions, including how many cups of wine we should have at the Seder.